everyone, it's Madison, and I wanted to do a quick review of this TreeLen Broom and Dustpan set. I got it because we were looking for a new broom. Our old one was too big and bulky, and this thing is great. My kids have left a mess, so I can show you how quick and easy it is to use. If you can see right here, my dog's waiting for the crumbs. But this dustpan locks into place and you just sweep up. It's so easy. There's no crumbs underneath it once you've swept it. And then when you're done, all you have to do is unlock it and it stores all together like this. Super easy, super quick, and it's easy to dump back in the trash can. If you're looking for a great broom and dustpan set for your kitchen, for an office, for just wherever you need one in the garage, I highly recommend this TreeLen Broom and Dustpan.